Welcome to Simply Great Media, and today we're going to look at ReadyMaker. ReadyMaker is a games development environment, very simple, kind of like a games engine, like you may have heard of Unity, or you may have heard of the Unreal Engine. Well, this is a similar principle, but it basically means you can get an intro into games development without having to know code, and it's made brilliantly by a group of people who are very passionate about games making, and it's free and available for everybody to use. And the brilliant thing about this is when you want to develop your skills further, you can import what work you have done here into Unity, which is a professional games development environment, and develop it further if that's what you want to do. So if you've never used it before, or you don't know how to get to it, that's what this video is here to do. It's here to show you how to get a copy of this software. And then we are going to do a series of other little videos that show you some tutorials by Ready, but we're going to do step-by-step guides so you can work along with this basically, and learn how to use this really powerful, really fun bit of software. Okay, so first of all, if you want to get a copy of this, we're going to scoot on over on our browser to www.getready.io, and you will be able to download it here. Obviously, here's the button. If we click this button, now we've got a selection of choices here, depending on what platform you're working on already. I'm on a Mac, so I would click here. If you've got Google operating system, you click here. You're on an iPad, iPhone, and Windows if you're on PC. So use the usual channels and you'll be able to get a copy of this software. You may have to register in order to be able to use the software. Here's the registration form that you will probably be filling out. So you add your birthday here, that's year first, month, then day, a username, fill in your email and a password. Accept these little two tick boxes here, their privacy policy and the terms of use. Read them if you want to, and then hit sign up, and then you'll be able to sign into your own copy of ReadyMaker. And when you do, you'll probably land on this first page here, which is the featured page, and it shows you all of these kind of games that you can log into or click in and have a play of, or you can edit them, what they call remixing them, and have lots of fun finding your way through all of this. Now, if you want to learn more specifically, we're going to be creating a few more videos in this series, going through some already existing tutorials that Ready have made, but they haven't actually done a step-by-step video of them. They do very fast animations that are quite difficult to keep up. So we're going to just hold your hand through each little bit of it so you can learn the different tools and tricks that you can use to actually start making some games here in Ready. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please click on the subscribe and also like the video, as that helps us very much. And we will see you in the next video where we'll be looking at how to actually start using some of this software. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.